Less 21 algorithms in total, but instead of learning all 21 algorithms, we are going to learn how to do 2-loop PLL. Now, the idea with 2-loop PLL is that first you have to align each and every single corner in the correct spot, and after that you have to align each and every single edge piece in their correct corner. Now, there are 5 algorithms in total with PLL, and here's how these 5 algorithms are done. Now, in this case of corner alignment, as you can see, this one is in its wrong position, this one is in its right position, this one is in its wrong position, and this one is in its right position. So if these two are diagonal to each other, which are in wrong position, as you can see, these two are in wrong position and are diagonal to each other, then this case is called diagonal corner swap. And here's how it is done. First, take this edge in front of you, which have to be aligned, which have to be swapped with this edge in left hand, the flat side. And if you are left handy, just mirror each of my move for left hand, but right now I'm going to do it with my right hand, and here's how it is done. First of all, you have to turn the front face, then you have to take this pair out and insert it like this. Wait a minute. And then you have to insert it in a different way. As you can see, this has solved each and every corner. Now let me show you how again it is done, but in this time we have to solve the green corner instead of the blue corner. So it is red and green which have to be swapped with orange and green. Here is how it's done. Once again, the same thing which I have told you earlier. First I have to do an F turn, then you can take it in slow-mo and can watch it again. Now the next case is when you have to swap these two corners which are in wrong position. As you can see, here it is blue and here it is green. Here it is green and here is blue. These two are on their correct position, but these two have to be swapped with each other. So it is called adjacent corner swap, and here is how it is done. And it is just reverse of the last algorithm which I told you. And yes, this one is a new one. This is the second case of corner swap. Here is how it is done. As you can see, these two are on their correct position and these two are already in their position as they were earlier. Let me show you again, but instead of red, we are doing it with orange one. So these two are orange instead of red, and these two have to be swapped. Here is again how it is done. You can just do it in slow-mo. You can just watch it in slow-mo. And as you can see, these two are now in the correct position. Okay. Now the next is how to align the edge pieces. So there is 3 different possible position for aligning the edge. First one, that this one is solved and the rest 3 are not solved. So what to do in that case? Well, it's easy. First of all, see which piece is at the front. First of all, take the one at the front, not this one. Instead, you have to take the one which is unsolved at the front, and these two unsolved ones should be at its corner, unlike this, in which this is solved, this is unsolved, and this is unsolved too. We have to place it in front of you in a way that this one is unsolved, and same is true for both of them which are near it, this one and this one. So if they're the same color as this centerpiece in this edge, then instead of using this hand, you have to do it with left hand, and here's how it is done. Let me show you again how it is done. and if the pairs are matching with this in left, that is green one is here but it's not with matching with blue, then you have to do the same algorithm but with the right hand, and here is how it is done. This is just the mirror image of the first one which I've told you, which I saw just now. It is just the mirror image of that one, that same one. Now the next case is when this edge piece is just opposite to this edge piece, and same is true for blue and green. And here is how it is done. So this consists of a lot of M moves, and you can just randomly change them, and you might notice that you have already solved them. So even random M moves can even solve them, but if you want to know how to do that properly, then here it's how it's done. Now I have solved these two and these two with each other. And here they are swapped again. Here is another case where you have to swap the edge pieces. This time these two have to swap with each other, and same is true for these two. These two have to swap with each other, and same truth for another orange and green. So how to do this is pretty easy. First of all, hold it in a way that the green one is at the front of you and the green center is on left side, or blue is at front of you and the blue center is at left side. Now do the algorithm which I am going to do. Another case can be these two and these two, which is same as the last time. Let me show you how. So right now what had happened, that instead of orange and green, it is green and red. So you have to put it like this: red in front of you and green here with red center, or orange in front of you and blue one just right here. So these are all the possible cases for PLL. I hope you may enjoy the video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cubic related stuff and more fun challenges and other stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you. Goodbye. Amigos.